to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my lotus root scallops. My Aussie potato scallops video has been a hit for a couple of years. Well, let's try something a little bit different and let's use some lotus root. Alright, I'm going to make up a batter. I've got 2/3 of a cup of self-raising flour. That's going into a bowl just like that. I'm going to add in 1/3 of a cup's worth of cornstarch or corn flour. That can go in straight as well. Really nice and easy. Alright, I'm going to add in a little bit of seasoning, just a little bit of chicken bouillon powder, a dash of some Chinese 5 spice. That's going in, and we're going to put in 1 egg. Right, that can go straight in just like that. It's going to help make us a nice thick batter that's going to puff up when we cook our beautiful lotus root scallops. Alright, little bit of oil, probably about half a tablespoon's worth, that can go in, and that's going to ensure we end up with a crunchy batter at the end. Right, and of course a little bit of nice cold soda water. So just add a little bit by little bit. We do want a fairly thick type batter, not too thick like a pancake batter. We want something a little bit thinner than that, but not as thin as a tempura. Right, so I'm just going to add in a little bit by little bit, give that a stir with a whisk. We don't want to go too bananas, we don't want to overwork the flours at all. We want to try and keep things nice and relaxed. Alright, so we want a batter that's going to look around about something like that. Right, so it's going to leave doesn't matter if there's a couple of lumps here and there, don't worry about that, that's all going to work out in the end, but it should have a consistency looking something like that. Alright, so here I've got some lotus root. I bought that from my local Asian grocery, and those ones were cut at 3mm thick. You can actually buy them in different thickness from your local Asian grocery. You'll find those in the frozen section, so a little bit easier to do, and you can take out as many or little as you want. I'm just going to sort of stir those through the batter just like that, and all we have to do now is cook them. Some oil sitting at around about 185 to 190 degrees. We're just going to put those in, and as you can see, we've got some nice little bubblage happening around the outside of our scallop. That is perfect. We'll end up with an absolutely magnificent little tasty side dish for whatever we're going to have with it. So they're not going to take very long at all, only a couple of minutes, and of course, being lotus root, they are a lot smaller than a potato scallop, so we can actually put a few more into a pan. Right, just carefully giving them a flip with a little stirring device from time to time. I do have a thermometer in there, keeping an eye on the temperature at all times. If you don't want to do it this way, you can actually use your deep fryer. That will work absolutely perfectly, but the deep fryer is too cumbersome to set up in front of the camera these days. Alright, so once they're sort of done, we're going to do these in batches. I'm going to serve this up with a little bit of some fried prawns, or something like that, and all we have to do now is arrange those on a plate just like that. Look at those fluffy, golden brown, crunchy lotus root scallops, and if you haven't had lotus root before, it is amazing. It's somewhere between a carrot and a potato. It has a really cool texture, and I would suggest you try it. It is it's one for one to experience, believe me. Alright, so I'm just going to serve these up on a plate. We're going to give a little bit of saltage over the top, as much or little as you like. I'm using a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of Murray River salt straight over the top, and there you go. You've got KP's lotus root scallops. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy and it's really cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn another cool fusion dish or side dish just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my lotus root scallops, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.